Oh, there's Drive-by DIY. I've got a Hyundai i10 here. Just going to show you how to change the air filter. Really, very easy. Just need a well, the airbox is on the top. Need a Phillips screwdriver. You got 2 clips, one there. So you just take them off like that. Undo the Jubilee clip. Undo the ducting. Undo the ducting like that, and then just bring it away, and there it is. Take it out like that. It's a bit dirty. Put the new one in, and then put it back together. It just clips in like that. Put the ducting on. Put your clips in. Make sure your ducting's in properly. Looks like it. There it is, and then just screw it back in. Don't over tighten it. Just enough to make sure it doesn't come off. Like that. And if you want, you can put a little bit of grease on it as well, just to finish it off. And that's it. That's how to change an air filter on a Hyundai i1 or i10.